Every new car sold today is designed to quietly drain your wallet. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize it. They pay willingly, thinking they're making a smart purchase. A shiny $50,000 SUV sitting on the lot, finance papers stacked high interest rates that rival credit cards, and a salesman smiling like everything's perfectly normal. Sounds familiar, right? But here's the secret. There's a simple, almost unknown strategy that savvy drivers are using to dodge this financial trap entirely. And the best part, it's completely legal. Before we dive into exactly how this works, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I reveal the hidden tricks corporations use to quietly manipulate your money and how you can fight back every single week. The truth is, modern cars aren't just expensive, they're financial traps engineered to bleed you dry. Most buyers are locked into loans that stretch for 84 months, 7 long years, often with interest rates that rival credit cards. By the time you make your final payment, your brand new car has already lost nearly half its value. Depreciation is brutal. A $50,000 vehicle bought today can lose 40 to 50% of its value in just 3 years. You're not just spending money, you're throwing it into a pit that keeps getting deeper. But it's not just the price tag. Modern cars are packed with fragile, costly technology. Those glossy touchscreens that replace simple, reliable knobs, they look sleek. But when one fails, whether it's the climate control, the radio, or the infotainment system, the repair bills can hit $3,000 to $4,000 in an instant. A single cracked screen can render your car partially undrivable. Nearly every car rolling off the lot today is equipped with telematics, a built-in digital watchdog. These systems monitor how hard you brake, how fast you accelerate, and even where you drive every single day. That data, it's quietly packaged and sold to insurers. Suddenly, your premiums can spike, not because of accidents, but because your own car reported your driving habits. In other words, modern cars are not just mechanical machines, they're surveillance devices, expensive software platforms, and financial landmines all rolled into one. But the financial trap doesn't stop at the dashboard. Under the hood, modern cars are mechanical nightmares waiting to happen. To meet strict fuel efficiency standards, automakers are cramming tiny turbocharged engines into massive SUVs and pairing them with continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, which are essentially glorified metal rubber bands, instead of real gears. These high-stress engines and transmissions are ticking time bombs. Turbo pressure pushes components to their limits, often blowing head gaskets long before the car hits 100,000 miles. CVTs grind themselves down, turning friction into metal dust, leaving drivers with repair bills that can easily top $5,000 for a single drivetrain failure. In other words, the modern engineering marvels sold as efficient or innovative are designed for short-term performance, not long-term reliability. Every modern vehicle is a financial gamble disguised as convenience and style, one software glitch or overheated component away from leaving you stranded with a wallet-emptying repair bill. And here's the worst part. These issues aren't just rare mistakes. They're baked into the very design of the car. You're not buying a machine built to last, you're buying a machine engineered to fail right after your warranty expires. But here's the good news. There's a way out of this modern car trap. Not all vehicles are designed to drain your wallet. Hidden in plain sight is a golden era of cars, built for reliability, simplicity, and longevity, without all the fragile technology or invasive digital surveillance. This isn't some secret reserved for mechanics or industry insiders. Everyday drivers are quietly discovering it, using a loophole that lets them bypass the financial traps, the software glitches, and the data harvesting devices baked into today's vehicles. And the best part? You don't need a fortune or a mechanic's degree to take advantage of it. With the right strategy, you can drive a car that's cheaper to buy, easier to maintain, and built to last decades. And yes, it's completely legal. In the next section, we'll dive into exactly which cars are part of this golden era and why they're the ultimate escape hatch from the modern automotive nightmare. So, what makes a car part of this golden era? We're talking about vehicles built roughly between 1996 and 2008. Machines that perfectly balance modern engineering with mechanical simplicity. Why 1996? That's the year every car sold in the US adopted OBD2 diagnostics. This means you get modern electronic fuel injection that starts reliably even in freezing winter mornings, and onboard sensors that are easy to read with a cheap $20 scanner. Safety features like airbags and crash protection are all modern, but without the digital poison found in today's vehicles. These cars are built to last. Physical keys, analog gauge clusters, and real mechanical switches replace the fragile touchscreens and digital dials of modern vehicles. Thick copper wiring and robust engine blocks mean that a simple repair, like a broken AC knob, takes minutes and costs dollars, not thousands. And because these cars were built before automakers embraced constant digital surveillance, there are no cellular modems tracking your every move, no automatic start-stop systems grinding your starter, and no hidden software tricks that can turn your engine into a ticking financial bomb. In short, these vehicles offer the reliability and safety of modern engineering without the fragility, spyware, or financial traps of the new car market. They are truly the ultimate escape hatch. Cars that can last decades with simple maintenance, giving you freedom, peace of mind, and huge savings. Now that you know what makes a car part of the golden era, let's get specific. Which cars actually give you decades of reliability without the modern headaches? For sedans, you can't go wrong with late 1990s to early 2000s Toyota Camry or Honda Accord 4-cylinder models, Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. These engines are built with thick cast iron or durable aluminum blocks, timing chains instead of fragile belts, and hydraulic automatics with real steel gears. With nothing more than regular oil changes, these cars can easily reach 300,000 miles. If you need a truck, look for late 1990s Chevrolet or GMC models with the 5.7-liter V8 engines. Avoid models with active fuel management software that can quietly destroy your engine from the inside. These trucks are simple, strong, and parts are cheap and widely available. For large sedans, especially if you want something built like a tank, the Ford Panther platform is legendary. That includes the Ford Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, and Lincoln Town Car. Originally engineered for police and taxi fleets, these cars feature body on-frame construction, low-stress 4.6-liter V8 engines, and parts that are cheap and everywhere. You can find a garage-kept Grand Marquis for as little as $4,000 and it will outlast a brand new $80,000 luxury SUV. These are not just cars, they are your ticket out of the modern automotive trap. Reliable, simple, and built to survive decades without the constant expense and surveillance of today's vehicles. Now that you know which cars are part of the golden era, here's how to execute the loophole and escape the modern car trap completely. Step 1. Skip the dealerships. Forget the shiny floors and high-pressure finance managers. Modern dealerships are designed to trap you in loans that last years and bleed your wallet. Instead, save up cash. Around $5,000 is enough to get started with a reliable older model. Step 2. Buy directly from private sellers. Platforms like local classifieds or online marketplaces allow you to find well-kept vehicles without dealer markups or predatory financing. Step 3. Look for physical indicators of a forever car. Check for a metal ignition key that turns smoothly on a mechanical cylinder. Twist the AC knobs. Do they click with satisfying precision? Move the gear shifter. Does it pull a real steel cable connected to the transmission or just a digital dial? Step 4. Trust the simplicity. A 20-year-old analog car isn't just cheaper to maintain, it severs the digital data pipeline. No automakers tracking your every move. No remote kill switches. No software glitches that can destroy your drivetrain. You're taking back control of your car, your wallet, and your freedom. Follow these steps, and you're not just buying a car, you're buying independence from a system designed to trap you financially and technologically. By now, you know that modern cars are expensive, fragile, and designed to quietly drain your wallet. But the golden era vehicles we've covered are your escape hatch. Reliable, simple, and built to last decades. These cars give you freedom, peace of mind, and real savings. If you found this information valuable, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every week, I uncover the hidden tricks corporations use to manipulate your money and show you exactly how to fight back. And if you think the automotive industry is bad, wait until you see what's happening in your kitchen. The very appliances you bought are mathematically designed to fail, and there's a loophole to beat that system too. Click the video on your screen to learn how to take control and save thousands. Escape the modern car trap, take back your freedom.